to all and welcome to Chapainawabganj TV. I am starting today's news. Faradiba Borno is with you. First of all, the news headlines of Manamia Agricultural Farm. After the lockdown, the shop has reopened in compliance with the restrictions. One person died of corona symptoms in the corona unit of Sodor Hospital. Distribute relief to unemployed people in corona. Heroic freedom fighter Hossein Ali has died in Shibganj. The titles are given so long, this time in detail. Chapainawabganj came under 11 restrictions after a 14 days lockdown at midnight on Monday. The shop has been open since 9 a.m. on Tuesday. As it was closed for a long time, the traders were seen cleaning their shops and other establishments. On the other hand, the mango marketing activity has gained some momentum than before. Traders say that as the lockdown has lifted, people are able to walk on the streets and come to the market, which has increased their sales. Deputy Commissioner Monjurul Hafiz said everyone has to abide by the strict rules till June 16. A 60-year-old man died of corona symptoms at the corona unit of Chapainawabganj Sodor Hospital on Tuesday morning. He died at 8:40 a.m. while undergoing treatment. Ahnaf Shariar, a doctor at the corona unit of Chapainawabganj Sodor Hospital, said he was admitted to the corona unit 2 or 3 days ago. Samples were taken but the results are yet to come. In the morning he died with corona symptoms. He said 50 patients are always admitted in the 50-bed corona unit. Meanwhile, on Tuesday, 85 patients are positive out of tested 402 people. In the management of Chapainawabganj municipality, in corona COVID-19, cash has been distributed among the unemployed in corona COVID-19, destitute and helpless families as government humanitarian assistance on the instructions of Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. On Tuesday, 400 families living in the municipal area were given 500 taka in cash at the municipal building. Mayor Nazrul Islam, Municipal Relief Committee convener and Councillor Afzal Hossain Pintu, committee member Secretary Golam Farooq and others were present on the occasion. This time, the sad news is that Hossein Ali, the heroic freedom fighter of Jalmachmari Mohalla of Shibganj municipality of Chapainawabganj, has died. Inna lillahi wa inna ilahi rajiun. He died at a private hospital in Dhaka at 3:20 p.m. on Tuesday. At the time of his death, he left behind numerous admirers, including 2 daughters. Meanwhile, Nilufa Chaudhuri, former headmistress of Shampur A.Q. Chaudhuri Women's Welfare School in Shibganj, Upazila of Chapainawabganj, wife of former chairman of Shampur UP Musa Chaudhuri and pioneer in the field of women's education, has died. Inna lillahi wa inna ilahi rajiun. She died at her home in Bajitpur Chaudhuripara, village of Shampur Union, around 1:30 p.m. on Tuesday. She was 78 years old at the time of his death. At the time of his death, she left many admirers, including 2 sons and 2 daughters. Finally, considering the current situation in corona, I urge everyone to abide by the hygiene rules. Today, I am concluding the news bulletin of Chapainawabganj TV. Subscribe to the YouTube channel of Chapainawabganj TV to get regular updates. You can also join as Citizen Journalism. Contact us at 01316025972 to report any news in your area. Goodbye for today and good night.
নিয়মিত চাঁপাইনবাবগঞ্জের সংবাদ পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন চাঁপাইনবাবগঞ্জ টিভি ইউটিউব চ্যানেল।